The 2027 Dodge Viper revival marks the triumphant return of Dodge's iconic Halo supercar. After years of silence, Dodge has brought back the Viper with modern engineering while staying fiercely true to its wild, analog roots. This is not a sanitized electric vehicle. This is a front-engine, rear-wheel drive, V8-powered monster built for those who believe driving should be emotional, loud, and unforgettable. Expected pricing starts around $135,000 and climbs rapidly for higher trims. Exterior finished in that legendary Viper red, the 2027 revival looks absolutely menacing. The long hood, dramatic fender flares, and aggressive cab rearward proportions pay perfect homage to the classic Vipers while incorporating modern aerodynamic elements. Signature features include the aggressive front splitter, massive side vents, a raised center hump on the hood, and a large fixed rear wing. Quad exhaust tips, exposed carbon fiber accents, and massive 21-inch forged wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires complete the lethal stance. Every line screams pure American muscle and track aggression. This red Viper doesn't just sit in a showroom, it looks ready to attack the road. Interior slide into the cockpit, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cabin that blends nostalgia with modern refinement. Deeply bolstered leather and Alcantara seats with red stitching hold you tight during hard cornering. A flat-bottom steering wheel with the iconic Viper Snake logo sits in front of a digital instrument cluster. The center console features a large touchscreen with modern infotainment, while retaining plenty of physical buttons for critical controls. The interior feels purposeful and premium, with exposed carbon fiber, red ambient lighting, and excellent visibility. It's a cabin built for serious driving, not just posing. Performance. This is where the Viper revival becomes legendary. Under that long hood sits a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V10 engine, producing a monstrous 812 horsepower and 675 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in under 3 seconds. The quarter mile is dispatched in the low 10-second range. Top speed exceeds 200 miles per hour. The suspension has been completely reworked with adaptive dampers, massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and a lightweight carbon fiber body structure. This car is raw, loud, and completely addictive, exactly how a Viper should be. Features. The 2027 Viper revival includes modern technology without sacrificing character, advanced traction and stability control with track mode, launch control and drift mode, 360-degree camera system, performance data recorder premium audio system, available carbon ceramic brakes and aerodynamic packages. It delivers the perfect balance between modern safety and old-school driving thrill. Pros and cons. Pros. Insane 812 horsepower naturally aspirated V10 Pure, emotional analog driving experience. Stunning Viper, red design with iconic styling, outstanding track performance, and handling true American supercar heritage. Reborn. Cons. Extremely high price point, limited practicality and storage space. Very high fuel consumption, loud and demanding to drive daily. Verdict. The 2027 Dodge Viper revival is more than a car. It's the resurrection of a legend. In that screaming red, it captures everything that made the original Viper special: raw power, dramatic styling, and an unfiltered driving experience that modern supercars have largely forgotten. For the true American muscle enthusiast who believes driving should be loud, emotional, and exciting, The Viper Revival stands tall as one of the most desirable cars of 2027. This is not just transportation. This is passion on wheels. So tell me, fellow Viper fans, is the 2027 Dodge Viper Revival the comeback we've all been waiting for? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this red monster got your heart racing, smash that like button right now. And if you love American muscle, future legends, and raw performance, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. Thank you for watching Road Rank. Keep the V10s alive. Road Rank out.